Here we will discuss how to use the wrist brace with thumb neoprene. The wrist brace with thumb neoprene is available in these sizes. Measure circumference evenly around wrist joint. Now let us see how to wear the wrist brace with thumb neoprene. See the up inside label to position the product correctly. The thumb of the injured wrist is pushed out of the thumb hole. The product is wrapped around the wrist. The hook is fastened to a comfortable compression. Now let us see how to remove the wrist brace with thumb neoprene. The product can be easily removed by unfastening the hook loop fasteners. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more info, log on to www.tynorindia.com.